hope you are doing well. As per you all know that Australia ने कुछ अपने students के लिए reliabilities कर दी है. Like on the day of 7th August 2025, they have declared that they will accept the academic version of language cert for your study visa for the immigration purpose. So इससे बढ़कर और खुशखबरी क्या हो सकती है, especially उन students के लिए जो कि आर्ट्स और पीटी के स्कोर को लेकर बहुत परेशान हैं कि how they will get more score to secure their visa for the study purpose in Australia. So अब परेशान होने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. What you have to do is just prepare yourself for language cert and got the good grades and got secure your admission over there in Australia. जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि language cert पहले वर्ल्ड वाइड एक्सेप्ट था, स्पेशली इन यूरोप और यूके में भी बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज में it was acceptable over the wide range. So now Australia is also accepting that academic version of language cert. So there are 4 basic levels in the language cert that I will disclose today in today's video, and you have to watch it till end if you want to get more information and to clarify your confusion. So let's start with the first one. First one is about the vocational English level, and every level has 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Okay? LRWS. 4 modules are over there in all the basic levels of English language cert academic version. So first of all, let's start with the first of all vocational English, in which there are 4 modules, and let's start with the first one, that is about the listening. So in listening, you are required with the 41 bands, and in reading you are required with the 44. In speaking, you are required with the 54, and in writing, you are required with the 45 bands overall. So it's about the vocational. Vocational means it's being acceptable for the secondary individual, not for the primary. It's about the secondary individual. Okay. So let's talk about the second one, that is about the competent English. Okay. In this level, there are same module as per the vocational: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. So let's talk about the listening one. Listening is all about the securing 57 grades. Then you have the reading level, in which you have to secure 60. Then you have the writing level, in which you have to secure 67 overall. And at last you have to secure the speaking by securing your grades around about 70. Furthermore, there is third level is about, that is known as proficient English. And in proficient English, you have to stay focused more on listening or in every module. So let's talk about the proficient level. So it's about the securing in listening 67 overall. You need in reading 71 overall, and in, you can say, writing you need 78, and in speaking at proficient level you have to get more and more in speaking, that is about the 82 points overall. And it will be more easy to you to get this all with the good preparation. And at last, there is the most you can say last level, that is more superior level, superior English, that we can say is superior English, in which you are required with 80 bands in listening only, 87 in reading, 89 in writing, and same as the speaking, 89 bands you require at all. And this is, you can say, most toughest and you can say more easiest. It depends on your preparation or your efforts or the way of you are attempting the paper. So उम्मीद है कि आप सबको पता चल गया होगा कि how much band you require and how can you secure that visa without any, you can say, getting the refusal or any disappointment. So hope for the best. और ब्राइट एंड स्टडी कंसल्टेंट्स जो हैं वो आजकल अपने स्टूडेंट्स को ये पैकेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं कि वो इस चीज़ की प्रिपरेशन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट करवा रहे हैं. स्टूडेंट जो अभी भी कंफ्यूज हैं वो ब्राइट एंड स्टडी कंसल्टेंट से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं और अपनी सीट सिक्योर कर सकते हैं इस गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए, जो कि अवेल की जा रही है स्टूडेंट को, जिसमें उनको फुली फंडेड प्रिपेयर करवाया जाएगा और इसके साथ साथ उनको अच्छे से अच्छी गाइडेंस भी प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. सो डोंट वेस्ट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. लेट्स कनेक्ट विद ब्राइट एंड स्टडी कंसल्टेंट who are offering you every step and guide you on every step from the preparation to securing your visa.